Welcome to the Simrad NSS4. NSS4 allows extensive customization to suit your boating preferences. It includes pre-configured options, or you can create your own dashboards. To create your own layout, first, tap Settings, Create Own Dashboard. Second, drag and drop instruments from the menu, resizing and positioning each one as desired. Once complete, this dashboard will be easily accessible with just one tap. Custom split screens. With its powerful processor, NSS4 supports multiple split screens for a complete view of different apps and multitasking at once. Here's how to create a split screen. First, tap the plus icon on the home screen to open a blank split screen layout. Second, drag and drop apps like radar, sonar, and chart into different sections of the screen. You'll notice that each app loads instantly thanks to NSS4's 8-core processor. Simrad, never settle.